achieved, we said 82 to 81. We can go to any low in a day like today. But the high odds trades that we've been looking for are to get that 82 gap closed. And as part of the system, 81 1/4. So when you get into that, you want to think immediately about taking profits. Don't think plunge through here. I've talked about that for days, that the first thing that's going to happen is we're going to, 85 is going to be protected. Then when we finally go through it and you think, okay, now it's easy, it usually isn't. They'll back it up with this 82 to 81 for profit taking. And that's why this is such a dangerous, tough zone, because even when you get through it, it usually won't blow right through it. It takes its time. And so the classic battle, in my opinion, is set up. So anything you take short side, understand that I believe the best shorts are already done by virtue of the overnight range that Zeke has already talked about, stolen range. And I consider anything below this current low that's in place already as good fortune. Simple as that. Just trying to be conservative, trying to warn traders. I'm not telling you to buy. You don't want to buy. I get that. Trend has been down. But shorting this zone is very difficult. It's a playground to get trapped. That's part of the problem. So I said early, you know, if you've got a trailer, hang in there, because that's usually the best odds trade, is to knock out, bust those stops first. Then Charlie loves to jump in at 82. Can't do it. Too late. You want that 82, you got to be back in here. You know, I said this morning, I've been up since 6 o'clock here. Thing is going nowhere, but my feeling was we were going to bust those stops because it started to accept this zone. And the 15-minute chart was looking good. 30-minute chart is looking good. The 60-minute chart is looking good. So I have no problem if he wants to give me more, but I'm not going to add in here at this zone. And give it a few minutes, and obviously the longs are being made to pay up right now. They were cackling going home last night. The stop run comes, and then right here, this is the key bar. Bang, overnight, that 3 o'clock time frame. Just like on this RTH chart yesterday. This bar, bang. So that's resistance for now. In my suggestion, think about this as a new chop zone right now. We're going to hit bounces one more time today and get her done day. And I said to you yesterday, I'd be very surprised if we get sub 85 and stay there. So a reminder of my sentiment anyways, for whatever it's worth. Take a look up here too at your red and green lines. They're important on that chart. Descending triangle plays out. And we can hit bounces and assume they're scalps with the trend. Tight stops anybody that buys today. And buying from this zone is valid. Because it's Friday and because we've got a get her done day and we've got a profit-taking idea. So range trading, I said this 89 we're using as our resistance, and we're going to keep it there for now. And we need to wait till we're ahead of ourselves, obviously. So here was our breakdown zone, and my suggestion, don't be too aggressive.